In the previous video, we knew that Gandhiji was not satisfied only with large political or economic solutions. He wanted to remove the cultural and social backwardness in Champaran. He started schools, sanitation programs, and health services. Kasturbai, the wife of Gandhiji, his youngest son Devdas, and many others volunteered for the social services in Champaran. Now, see what happened after that. The Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhi's life. The writer says that the Champaran episode was a turning point in the life of Gandhiji. What I did, he explained. He means Gandhiji explained, was a very ordinary thing. I declared that the British could not order me about in my own country. Gandhiji explained that what he had done was a very ordinary thing. He declared that the British could not order him about in his own country. But Champaran did not begin as an act of defiance. Defiance means disobedience. But the Champaran episode did not start as an act of disobedience. It grew out of an attempt to alleviate. Alleviate means relieve, reduce the distress. Distress means suffering of large numbers of poor peasants. It means the Champaran episode grew out of an attempt to relieve, to reduce the suffering of large numbers of poor peasants. This was the typical Gandhi pattern. Pattern means style of working. This was the typical Gandhi style of working. His politics were intertwined. Intertwined means twisted together or connected closely with the practical day-to-day problems of the millions. Gandhiji's politics were closely connected with the practical day-to-day problems of the millions. His was not a loyalty to abstractions. Abstraction means ideas not associated with any specific instance. It was a loyalty to living human beings. See, the loyalty of Gandhiji was not only to ideas, but it was to living human beings. In everything Gandhiji did. Moreover, he tried to mold means shape, a new free Indian who could stand on his feet and thus make India free. See, in everything Gandhiji did. Whatever Gandhiji did, his mission was to shape a new free Indian who could stand on his feet and thus make India free. Actually, Gandhiji believed in self-dependence. He wanted to make every Indian self-dependent so that this self-dependent Indian could make India free. And in this way, both Indians and India could be self-dependent. This was the philosophy of Gandhiji's freedom and independence. Early in the Champaran action, Charles Freer Andrews, the English pacifist. Pacifist means someone opposed to violence as a means of settling disputes, who had become a devoted follower of the Mahatma, came to bid. Bid means wish. Gandhi means Gandhiji. Farewell. Farewell means goodbye. Before going on a tour of duty to the Fiji Islands. See, early in the Champaran action, Charles Freer Andrews, the English pacifist who had become a devoted follower of the Mahatma, came to wish Gandhiji goodbye before going on a tour of duty to the Fiji Islands. Gandhi's lawyer friends thought it would be a good idea for Andrews to stay in Champaran and help them. The lawyer friends of Gandhiji thought that it would be a good idea for Andrews to stay in Champaran and help them. Andrews was willing if Gandhi agreed. Andrews was willing to stay in Champaran if Gandhiji agreed. But Gandhi was vehemently, strongly opposed. But Gandhiji strongly opposed this idea. He said, "You think that in this unequal fight it would be helpful if we have an Englishman on our side." Gandhiji told the lawyer friends that they thought that in that unequal fight it would be helpful if they had an Englishman on their side. This shows the weakness of your heart. Gandhiji told them that the idea of having an Englishman on their side showed the weakness of their heart. The cause is just and you must rely. Rely means have faith upon yourself to win the battle. Gandhiji told that the cause was just and they must have faith upon themselves to win the battle. You should not seek proper support in Mr. Andrews because he happens to be an Englishman. Gandhiji advised them that they should not seek a support in Mr. Andrews because he happened to be an Englishman. Actually, Gandhiji wanted that every Indian should be self-dependent, and this self-dependent Indian should fight for the independence of India. That's why he opposed the idea to have Mr. Andrews on their side. He had read our minds correctly, Rajendra Prasad comments, and we had no reply. Gandhi in this way taught us a lesson in self-reliance. Self-reliance means personal independence or self-sufficiency. Self-reliance, Indian independence and help to sharecroppers were all bound together. See, Rajendra Prasad commented that he means Gandhiji, had read their minds correctly and they had no reply to him. Actually, Gandhiji did not like the idea to have Mr. Andrews on their side because he believed that every Indian must be self-dependent and this self-dependent Indian must fight for the freedom of India. That's why Gandhiji opposed the idea to have Mr. Andrews on their side. Gandhi in this way taught us a lesson in self-reliance. Gandhi ji in this way taught them a lesson in self-reliance. Actually, Gandhi ji thought that self-freedom, self-independence would lead to the freedom of India. This was the philosophy of Gandhi ji. Self-reliance, Indian independence and help to sharecroppers were all bound means connected together. Self-reliance, Indian independence and help to sharecroppers were all bound means connected together. Nothing was separated from one another.